Nyaya system. Sage Gautama 400 BC, known as Akshabada, the author of the Nyaya Sutras, is the founder of the Nyaya system. Nyaya conception of the universe was realistic and hence the system turned out to be a logical realism. According to the Nyaya philosophy, God, self, matter, space, etc. are all eternal. According to it, God is the creator and the architect of the universe. Nyaya believes that Ishvara creates this universe by his will with the ever existing atoms. Self is twofold, individual self and universal self, Jivatma and Paramatma. From the Panchabhutas, earth, water, fire, air, and Akasha, the matter came to exist. There are 7 padarthas, substances according to this system: Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha, Samavaya, and Abhava. The Nyaya philosophy is based on the study of 16 philosophical topics. 1. Pramana, 2. Prameya, 3. Samshaya, 4. Prayojana, 5. Drishtanta, 6. Siddhanta, 7. Avayava, 8. Tarka, 9. Nirnaya, 10. Vada, 11. Jalpa, 12. Vitanda, 13. Hetva 14. Chala, 15. Jati, 16. Nigrahasthana. The Nyayikas recognize 4 pramanas means of knowledge. 1. Pratiksha or perception. 2. Anumana or inference. 3. Upamana or comparison. 4. Shabda or testimony. They have evolved a beautiful system of logic and are befittingly called as logicians.